East Ohio residents continue to shovel and blow their way out of the driveways and side streets today following Winter Storm Landon's punch. The city of Cleveland hit particularly hard, and our Mark Naymik reports City Hall made some improvements to its snow removal efforts, but also found plenty of residents digging out.
No. Mother Nature testing patience, and Cleveland City Hall's snow removal efforts, which have been criticized for leaving side street residents buried in snow. New Mayor Justin Bibb acknowledging after last month's snowstorm that change is needed.
I heard you. We need a new snow removal plan.
Thursday, the city routed crews to side streets earlier than in the past while trying to keep main roads clear. It also worked more closely with council members and community groups to encourage residents to get cars off the street. Though some calls to the city's snowplow hotline went unanswered, the city's overall snow response showed progress. Main roads were clear by morning. 3 News followed plows working the side streets around midday.
Well, it's been a little bit improved. I actually saw the plow come down the side street, but it was after I got stuck. The response is a little bit better than it was before. Some of the side streets are getting done. They usually weren't done until a couple of days after that.
The city continues to say it needs new technology, more trucks and crews to handle big winter blasts, something that will take time and money. In the meantime, residents will have to lend each other a shovel and some muscle.
I just decided to help out. I'm here in the neighborhood. I'm doing what I can with, you just don't let anybody sit there when you see them in need. You do what you can.
On Monday, city council members will get a chance to question the head of snow plowing. And it's worth noting, Laura, that the head of snow plowing today is the same person that's been in charge under Mayor Frank Jackson when the city got a lot of criticism for not making improvements fast enough. And I did hear from some council members that are upset that things are still not moving ahead fast enough, as you can see, like on streets here on the near east side where there's still a lot of shoveling and plowing to go. Laura?
Yeah, hopefully just things get better. Mark Naymik reporting for us live tonight. Thank you so much.